Alright, let's unbox an African crate. It came into Houston, Texas, and we had it shipped by semi over to Gulf Shores, Alabama. The semi would not fit in the driveway, so it had to park across the road, and we also had to provide our own tractor in order to get the 3 boxes off of the semi truck. There's 2 small boxes that were able to fit on a pallet and 1 big box that just barely fits on the forks. The biggest box, I believe, weighed about 400 pounds, and the other 2 boxes were not nearly that heavy. Everything went pretty smooth. It was kind of difficult to get the bigger box into the garage though. Okay, so there's 3 boxes total. 1 has primates in it, 1 has unfinished stuff in it, and the big one is finished trophies. Let's do the primates first. About 25 screws later, we got in there. There's a full body monkey, and there's a couple of skulls screwed into the side as well. You can see they are very wrapped up. Layered as well. The bottom piece there is the base to the monkey mount. So this is everything in that box: the 2 skulls, the base, and the monkey. And I will say that the monkey was not in the position that I requested. It was actually way different. All right, where's he right now on the bed now? So I was not too happy about that, but as far as the overall condition of everything, it looked really good. And this base did add a whole lot of weight to this box. Next is the unfinished stuff. So it's basically all the skulls wrapped and piled on top of the folded and salted capes in the bottom. They're all wrapped up very well. Got some giraffe legs over there. Here's some giraffe hooves and hides. There's the rest of the capes and stuff. And all these skulls fit in there. And some of the nose bones were missing, and they also had some, like, I don't know, some damage to some of the skulls. All right, this is a big box. Real big. There is a sable, a giraffe. You got a springbuck and a bush buck drilled into the walls. They pretty much took all the soft tan stuff, wrapped it up, and just kind of threw it in the bottom. Whoa, there's an entire shoulder-mounted giraffe in here. There's a full-body porcupine. And there is a 10-10 crocodile that stretches the entire length of the bottom of the box. You can see everything screwed in nicely. The horns are wrapped and screwed to the side of the wall as well. And you can see that that crocodile tail just misses the side of the box by about 1 inch. And that's about it.